sent me. You know what? The dude really, he cracks me up. Throw anybody on the bus. You have seen him in interviews. He was talking about pets. He talked about, I love my pets. My pets are so wonderful. I don't know what I would do without pets. And the interview goes like, well, he said that he doesn't agree with what you're saying and canceled his campaign. Pets is a loser. Just so quickly. He's going there. It's just so incredible, man. And then you got other presidents that I do. I mean, and he's not a Republican. George Bush. No, yeah. Gets his face like this right here, talk like this right here, and when he says something, he really thinks he's saying something, he just messes up words. Puts the fabricate on the words. You know, America is great because America stands together. No, really, free, like he thinks he's just saying something fantastic. You know, like that's it. But you know, another Republican, you can't get away from him. He's Mr. Wrong Way. And I was just looking up something on him. I'm like, dude, did he really have to mention at the end of that thing with Colonel North and him? I don't know if how far you guys go back. And they had commission on him. They were like, dude, did you authorize this? And he go, I don't know. Really, he was like, I'm like, dude, did he? Well, no, you signed the paper, you were Colonel, you were Tom, and you said, yeah, go into, his bottom line. I don't know. Come to find out, he didn't know. He had to mention, I remember, let me see if I can remember this joke that he told in the voice of President Reagan. He says, there was a kid selling puppies out at a Democratic Party. One week he was selling the puppies to the Democratic Party. The next week the Republicans had a party at the same place. Then he was selling it at Republican parties. Well, the press person said, well, you were selling these puppies last week as Democratic puppies. You're selling them for Republican puppies now. Why are they Republican puppies? Well, this week they have their eyes open. That was one of his famous jokes, Mr. Wrongway. Who else do I do? Working on Obama. Oh, yeah. Obama, shit on the gun. Go like this right here. Yes, we can. We can do it. That's about it. That's Obama. Yeah. Talk. Let's see who else that we like presidents. One iconic president. Yeah. Who is it? Oh, yes. Clinton. Let me see if I can do that. Look at the bull fight. Clinton definitely. Did not have sexual relations with them all. I surely did. That's what it was. Yeah. But how about this? I was like, get out the ball. Get the ball. That's the only that's the only thing he ever says in his movies, right? Get out the ball. There's a ball in there. Get out the ball. No. I'll say, okay. And he was very successful with just that phrase. Doing it. I want to say, I commented on you guys being brothers of God and stuff like this. I was just wondering, I'm like, it's hard being a minister to me. How's the day? Because we battle with stuff they don't even know. Like, my mother is like 107 years old. Thank God. Yeah. But she's drooling and dribbling and, pissing on herself and stuff. And, today I was trying to, she looked at me and said, I'm just like, my mom said, when are you going to die? Is that bad? And I'm kidding. See, I was lighting up. forgive me? Yeah. Right.
Yes.
And you'll forgive me. Yeah. And you know what? My worst people are like, man, I talk about everything, games, stuff like that. I say, I have a question. I said, if you could ask God one question, what would it be? If you ask somebody one question, what would it be? What would you ask them?
I can't think of it right now. I don't know.
Somebody.
Am I going? You gonna let me in your kingdom? I don't know.
Am I going to be let in the kingdom? Right. And I'm thinking, dude, that is such a great question. But really, you know what's on my mind? Like what I would ask him? And it's still a spiritual question, I think. I would ask him, were the games of 2023 the same in last day? And follow me here when I say this. So remember when the angels came in, if you're not familiar with the story, the angels came in, he went in, and they went in, and the man came and said, bring out the water, have sex with them. My question, God, did they do it like this? Lie. Bring me out so we can have sex with them. I went in like, lie. Bring me out so we can have sex with them. I think it's a legitimate question, spiritual question. I feel, it's okay. I just want to know, did they? Listen to me. Anyway, it's hard. Listen, I do have a channel. It is General Thomas Mitchell Lyon on YouTube. I am a minister, gangster, preacher, really hot people. I'm a general in the streets. If you ain't did no dope, shot nobody, kill nobody, I'm not your minister. So we got somebody that's taking care of y'all. Really, those are my people.
You from Mechanicsville?
No, straight from Scottsdale. Straight from the dead. Y'all know about it. Get along with it. Hey, listen, you gotta beef it up there because goddamn. Yeah, that's what What's up? Sharing, laughing with you. And thank you so much. And I turn it back over to this one. Damn.